Hello guys, are we waiting for Stalker to release? And maybe while we're waiting, some of you decided to play one of original trilogy game. For example, Stalker Call of Pripyat. For example, you download it and try to run. Okay. When you run it first time, it's okay. Stalker runs in full screen mode, but you wish to change graphic settings because no one wants to play static lighting in 2024. So you open this menu, rendering mode, rendering time, and obvious, you wish to play at DirectX 11. You apply the settings and games tell you that you need to reboot game. But then, when you run it again, Stalker open in this small window and you can't fix it. Maybe you're trying to find in the internet solution for this. Maybe some tips tells you that you need to update, upload DirectX version, update Net framework, or even update Windows. But no of these tips doesn't work. Whatever you do, Stalker Call of Pripyat runs in this small window. I think this happens only on Windows 10 or Windows 11. I don't know why, but I know how to fix it. So all we need to do is just open options and change rendering mode from DirectX 10 or DirectX 11 to Enchanted Dynamic Light. Restart your game. And it's fixed. I don't know why this happens. Obvious that all we want to play in modern graphic settings like DirectX 11 because now it's 2024 and no one wants to play at DirectX 9 or something like that. But I don't know why, but it doesn't work at Windows 10. On Windows 10 with DirectX 10 or on 11 or on Windows 11 with same options. Maybe it's because this game is a little bit ancient and while it was made there was no exist Windows 10 and maybe some troubles with optimization or something like that. So if you wish to play, you need to choose your render options to Enchanted Dynamic Lighting. DirectX 10, DirectX 11 doesn't work proper on Windows 10 or 11. So guys, if this video was useful for you, please press like button, write some comment or even subscribe to my channel. I appreciate it, and thanks for watching.